Go.
Hey guys, my username in Roblox is Trill Watch, and can you add me? And Vince account username pala Vincete 1120, and Vince's TikTok account is Mr. Gray, and my account just banned again. Because I don't know what happened to my TikTok channel. I'm gonna posting YouTube channel in there. Okay, please don't punta here. Huwag tayong storbahin kasi nagre-recording tayo. I-support nyo guys yung channel ko at ma-hit dapat tayo 1K subs.